On this call out, I'm doing a PC port replacement on a washing machine. This is a Defy washing machine DTL145. The reason why I'm replacing this board is because the old board, which is the one that you see, was not opening the inlet valve. So I had to order a new board. So I am now fitting that new board on this washing machine. Unlike Samsung, LG, and other brands that require information on the white sticker that you see or the board number for them to be sure of the board that you are ordering, Defy only requires the model number of the washing machine when you order a board from them. What I will do is I will pause the video, fit the board, and test the machine. I just did that because of load shedding. We don't have electricity, so I'm using a rechargeable light since I'm working at night. When we tested the machine through a generator, I remembered something. Yeah, you can see that we've got only one inlet valve, and that inlet valve was the inlet valve for hot water. When I was first called here, I just removed this inlet valve for cold water and fitted that one. I did that because I didn't have a meter with me when I was first called to come and check this appliance. So to make sure that the board is faulty, I had to swap the valve because the cold water was not working. But when I was putting the machine on hot water, it was working nicely. So after doing that, I saw that it's still not putting water through even when I've swapped the valves. Then that's how I figured that this board is faulty. So even today when I tested it with the meter, it's faulty. After putting back everything, I also noticed that this part is clogged, so I had to clean it nicely. What I will do, I'll just fit it back and test the machine. I'm sorry that I couldn't make a complete video for this one. I promise to make it up to you on another time. Please subscribe.